In this section of the program, we deal with the very important topic of seal replacement. The task of oil seal replacement comprises 4 steps, namely, removal of the old seal, cleaning and inspection of the work, selection of a new seal, and installation. Let's begin with old seal removal. Very often it is necessary to remove certain mechanical parts to gain access to the oil seal. Remove only those components which have to come out. Thoroughly clean the area around the seal. In this demonstration, the cover is not to be removed. However, the seal can be extracted using self-tapping screws which have been carefully installed into the seal's metal insert. When a piece of equipment or machine has been completely dismantled, then the oil seals can often be drifted out of their housings using a suitable dolly. Don't use chisels or screwdrivers to remove oil seals. The subject of cleaning and inspection shall now be discussed. Before a new oil seal is fitted, the housing and shaft must be thoroughly cleaned, using solvents if necessary. Be careful not to let debris or solvents into the casings. Inspect the seal housing bore for signs of damage or imperfections, such as nicks, burrs, or markings that could affect the seating of the seal. Where necessary, have the bore dressed up or sleeved to ensure a perfect finish. Seal bores or seal housings should have a lead-in chamfer of around 1,5 millimeters wide and at a 20-degree angle. This provides the correct start for the new seal. Ensure that the chamfer is free of sharp edges that could damage the rubber coating on molded seals. Next, inspect the surface against which the seal is to run. If this surface reveals any imperfections, then you can be sure that a new seal won't last too long. Some manufacturers supply a seal runner, which is a replaceable sleeve against which the seal operates. Small imperfections may be cleaned up with fine grit abrasive paper to create a polished, scratch-free surface. Protect any internal parts from grit contamination using a cloth or paper wad during this process. Ensure that the shaft area, over which the new seal must slip, is dressed up to avoid any possible damage. We shall look at this area again during the installation procedure. After the break, we shall discuss new seal selection.